Before I came to Paramore & Young, I was having some real trouble with my back, with the small of my back and my neck. I'm 69 years old, every bit of it, and probably then some, because I've lived a lot. I really have noticed a lot of difference since I've come here. It feels really good, and I can't wait to come in every week. I expected my neck and my lower back to get some help. I was not expecting the MS to be affected. I was not expecting to have this increase in heat tolerance. I can tolerate it now so much better. And I didn't know that it would affect my balance any, but it has, because there's nothing else that I've been doing differently. So my balance is better. I can tolerate the heat now. Last summer I had to hide from the heat. I couldn't go outside. I had to stay inside with a fan on me and with the cold vest and the cold scarf and ice bags and stuff to try to not just completely wilt and fade out, because I get horribly fatigued when I get too hot. Because it's really a troublesome thing. It's not just that it's uncomfortable, which it really, really is, but it just gives you this horrible fatigue that makes it just hard to move through life. It just spoils everything. And when I come here and I feel so much better, I want that for all of my friends too. The whole science has advanced so far since then that it's amazing to me, just amazing. And I'm really thrilled with it. I want my other friends with MS to come in and see if their really bad problems with heat can be alleviated. If you don't have the fatigue, then you have the energy. Then you can get around and get a lot more done and really enjoy yourself. What I want people to know about this new procedure is that it works. And there is empirical evidence that you can look at to see that it works. Well, I think they should come to Paramore & Young and see what you can do for them. I know that I'm handing out the brochures to all of my friends and taking them to the Alaska MS Center for people with MS so that they can also tell people about it. I want them to know that even though they have disabilities and may, because of medications they have to take that are extremely expensive, that if they're on Medicare, they can come here and see Dr. Paramore, and he takes Medicare, so many people don't. And he'll take your private insurance and your Medicare, and he'll make things happen for you, and Dr. Young will too, and they'll make everything work so that you're getting the best care that you need. And they tell you when you don't need as much. I saw him twice a week for the first several months, and now I'm only seeing him once a week. So, and it just keeps everything going tickety-boo. I just love it. And I'd want all of my family and friends to come and try this out and see how good it is and see the real evidence that it makes a difference for you, because it sure does.